Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix solo leveling arise overdrive game sound not working or distorted, popping or cracking audio problem. So let's go through it. For that, you need to go to control panel and click on hardware and sound, then click on sound. So go to the search option over here, search for control panel, and after that click on hardware and sound, then click on sound option, then select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, then click on advanced, and here you need to select each of the format and test it, and then hit on apply and OK, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Make sure to you select 24-bit a 48,000 Hz and then test, and then click on apply and OK. If it resolves the problem, then fine, otherwise move to the next solution. Next is to update audio driver. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below and expand sound, video and game controllers. Here select your audio drivers, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your driver, and after that launch the game and see if sound issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to select right audio settings. So for that you need to simply press Windows plus G and then click on audio option over here, and you need to select Windows default output, your speakers, and make sure your sound bar is set to 100%. If not, simply set it to 100%, and also go below and check other sound on your system and set the sound bar to your sound bar to 100, and after this check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to uninstall device under audio. So for that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand sound, video and game controller, select your sound, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on driver tab and then click on uninstall device. So after uninstalling, click on OK, and once done, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to troubleshoot audio device. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings, then click on system, then go below and click on troubleshoot. After that, click on other troubleshooters, and here under audio you can see run option. Simply click on run and then fill out all the required details, and after that launch the game and see if sound issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to disable Windows sonic or spatial sound. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for control panel. Now go below, click on hardware and sound, then click on sound option. Here select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, then click on spatial sound, and here you need to select Windows Sonic for headphones, and after that hit on apply and OK. After doing this, restart your system once and then launch the game and see if the sound issue you're facing while playing the game is fixed or not. So all these are few solutions to fix the sound not working.